Hey everybody, it's Emery again with Ultra Sabers, and I'm here today to introduce you guys to an extremely exciting new addition to the Ultra Sabers family, and that is obviously what I have in my hand here, the new Obsidian V4 soundboard. Now, of course, just like all our predecessors, whenever we do an upgrade, we always retain all the previous features. So that means the V4 soundboard is going to have all the same features as the V3 soundboard, which means you can still change your sound fonts via the USB port, no SD cards or anything of that sort. Just hook it right up to your computer. You can still change the parameters, change your sensitivity, things of that sort. It's still going to control your LED, still going to give you the option for flash on clash. Still all the same features as the V3. With the addition of some exciting new features, a bunch of the suggestions you guys had on the website, we crammed them all into this V4 Saber. One of the main things is we increased the memory space on the soundboard, and we also increased the processor power to give us more capabilities. And one of the main features, the most recurrent feature that you guys wanted, was to have multiple sound fonts stored on your soundboard. So now we have that ability. The Obsidian V4 can store multiple sound fonts on one soundboard. In addition to that, you can also change to different sound fonts with just the push button. So you won't have to hook it up to your computer to change to a different stored sound font. That can all be done just with your push button at any given time. In addition to that, we also have the capability now to update the firmware on the soundboard just through the Obsidian launcher. So if we find any kinks or any changes need to be made, you can upgrade your firmware now straight on the Obsidian launcher. That wasn't a feature before, but now you can do that with the V4 soundboard. And in addition to that, probably the biggest upgrade with this is what we needed the better processor for, is that we have a much more robust launcher program. You're going to get to see that in the next video, but the main upgrade is that this soundboard works with a much more robust launcher program. And with that, we also get, wait for it guys, Mac compatibility. I'm sure a lot of you guys recognize the keyboard and the computer in the background here, but that's the Mac I'm going to show you guys later, the Obsidian launcher on. But yes, the V4 and the V4 launcher work on Macs now, finally. After 4 different versions, we finally came to grips and made a Mac compatible version of the launcher. Again, that's what we had the more powerful processor for, was so that we can bring these features to you guys. And also on the launcher, you're going to see that it's much easier to use Sound Wizard. Also, all of the settings are going to be much more recognizable and easy to set. You can also dynamically allocate how many sound banks you want. For example, if you want 10 extremely small sound banks or sound fonts, you can put 10 of them on there. If you just want 2 extremely large sound fonts, you can just pick 2 very large banks. The world is your oyster. You can do any of that. In addition, I'm going to show you guys, again with the launcher later, is that you can have, for example, if you just only wanted swing sounds, you wanted no humming, no clashing, you can have only swing sounds. That can be a sound font. If you wanted a completely silent sound font, that's an option as well. If you wanted just clash sounds, that's an option. Just the night of hum and nothing else, that's an option. So on and so forth. So much easier to use Sound Wizard. Mac compatibility. You can dynamically allocate the memory. Push button just to change the sound fonts and things of that sort. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some of the functionality now. Here's a basic initiate here that's equipped with the V4 soundboard. And that right there is the sound of success, and also the sound of the best soundboard on the market, which just got even better. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to fire up the interface where you can change the sound fonts. Just when the Saber is off, hold the button. It's going to bring you into this interface here. Press it again, and that's how you change between the sound fonts.
Ancient Saber. Episode 1. Episode 2. Episode 6.
Back at the first one here. So that's 6 different sound fonts. Go ahead and hold the button to make your selection. It'll say confirm, and there you go. Like I said, you can have multiple sound fonts saved to the saber, and you can change them just with the push button. So again, go over that one more time. When your saber's off, you just hold the button to take you into the configuration mode. We're gonna hold the button. Now we're in configuration mode. Press the button one time, one short press to switch between the different sound fonts.
Ancient Saber. Episode 1. Episode 2. Episode 6.
Hold the button to confirm.
Confirm.
There you guys have it. All right, so there you guys go. I'm going to actually do another video and show you guys how to get the software installed. Extremely easy, takes 2 seconds, and also give you a short demo on how to play with it a little bit. So again, there you guys have it. The new V4 soundboard. It's here. Multiple sound fonts. Change the sound fonts with the push button. More memory, better processor, much better launcher. You guys are going to see that now, and Mac compatibility. I'm extremely happy that we're able to bring this to you guys. It's finally here, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.